welcome back to my channel. Hope you have a fabulous day today. My name is Kay, and here I like to share my experience in travel and luxury fashion, mainly focused on Hermes with tips and tricks. Thank you for those who subscribe, and if you have not done so, please do. This will support and encourage me to make more valuable content, and it doesn't cost you anything. I am also trying to grow this channel, so thank you in advance. Today I'm sharing another bag I got offered 6 months after my first Quota, and if you have not seen the unbox, I will link it below. Let's get started with the unbox along with story time and more tips and tricks. Yes. So at the time I got offer, Hermes still giving out the raincoat care information booklet. Okay, let me get this box out of the way. Ready? Ta-da! It is another Kelly. Yep, I'm a big fan with Kelly. It is in the size of 28 and in noir or black color with palladium hardware and in, did I say taupe leather? And retorn style. So veining is part of the natural leather, so I don't mind. And I think you can only tell if you look really close, but far away, I don't think you can tell. With 4 feet, let's take a quick look inside the embossed stamp here. Shoulder strap with the Hermes stamp. And the padlock or the clochette. Here is another Hermes stamp. Inside, one main compartment with a back, the zip back pocket, and 2 small fun pockets, left and right. Since my first Quota was a Kelly 25 in Cellier, I wanted to experience the rattanee or retorn style because I think that fit more with my style. I like easy to access in and out of the bag. Now that I have both sides, I love the size 25. Now that I have both sizes, I prefer the size 25, but at the time, I like to experience the bigger size. So as for story time, not much to share. I simply gave my wish list to have a return. Though I'm flexible in either size 25 or 28, and thanks to my essay, I got to experience both returned and bigger size. Now I realize that actually I also got to try different hardware. My first Quota was it come with gold hardware, and this one has palladium hardware. Yeah. As for pre-spend for this bag, I got a brag case online. On one visit, I got a necklace, this Chandon necklace. On another visit in store, I got a shirt, a ring, lip balms, a blush, and a gallop watch. and a tilde. So altogether, the pre-spend ratio is 0.83 this time around. This might be the highest pre-spend so far. Again, I just want to put out a disclaimer. What I am about to share are my opinion from my own experience along the way that I learned. By doing all these will not guarantee of anything. Well, I cannot stress how important building the relationship with your SA. Per my SA, it is okay to get stuff online if you cannot wait, because sometimes I browse online and by the time my SA turn around to answer, the item will no longer be available. So I asked my SA and my SA said yes, it's fine. But then if you can get through your SA, I think it's a great way to show your appreciation and also, for your pre-spent. Then, get through your SA if you cannot wait. Also, per my SA, it is okay for to get stuff while you travel. Though, just know where your main store is. There was one time we traveled to New York and my daughter lost my scarf, so we had to went in one of the Hermes store to get a scarf for myself because during the winter. And I felt bad, so I texted my SA, to let my SA know, and my SA was totally fine with that, not a big deal. Though, just know where your main store is. So if you can get through your main store, then get it through your main store. Yep, that's all for today. We'll continue sharing my next addition to my Hermes collection in another video. If this is helpful to you in any way, give it a like. Or if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer or to help. Thank you for your precious time for watching and hope to see you very soon. Until then, keep shining. Bye-bye.